Scouring notes, looking for information regarding a concept or theme or topic, is a researcher's and lecturer's albatross. In the physical desk environment, this means culling through materials, often note cards, and collecting those containing relevant information needed for the task at hand. A lecture on X, a section of an article on Y, and so on. Ironically, the digital alternative to the physical desk can be confounding insofar as users need first to remember file names and then having to rummage through the whole contents of the files. By contrast, every search conducted by Orbis carries out the digital version of gathering your notes with the remarkable ability to parse needed information independent of file name, consistent with solutions to qualitative data management and analysis. Let's take a look. Open Orbis and conduct your search. Here, an already entered Boolean connected search string is shown. Note also that an asterisk was typed at the end of each of the search terms in order to expand on the number of results. The query tree pane shows the frequencies of each of the search terms in Orbis's vocabulary list, accumulated from all index documents, along with the frequency of the combined search terms. In the results view, you see that Orbis has gathered the parsed notes on the needed topic or theme or relationship. But Orbis will go beyond by providing the context surrounding those results, that is, the paragraphs that came before and after, so that you can see the fuller flow of the argument. Take a look. Toward the bottom of the Orbis window, you will see two sets of left and right arrows, each of which are either side of white boxes. The single box on the left displays the number of search string terms contained in the paragraph. You will see the terms highlighted. Note, however, that when a search term is contained as an Orbis keyword, it appears highlighted next to the NT/8 indicator and will count toward the total number of search terms found. The two boxes to the right are reserved for displaying the number of paragraphs being shown above and below the results paragraph, respectively. These numbers will change as the surrounding paragraphs are presented by clicking on the left or right pointers. The box on the left with the total numbers of results will reflect increases if the surrounding text contains search string terms. Icons are available at the bottom of the Orbis window. Click on one of them as shown to open the file in which results were found. Another icon, when clicked, will paste the text and any citations showing in the entry box into an open document in the word processor as shown. I've highlighted the pasted materials in the word processor for greater clarity.